What's going on, everyone? Blake here, back for another video on the channel, and in today's video I'm going to be walking through how to create an online course using Kajabi. So Kajabi is our go-to course and coaching platform that we use to house all of our training videos, members area, and course materials for our students. And in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can go about creating your own course, your own coaching program, and your own online info product using Kajabi itself. So as we dive into things, I'm going to share my screen here, walk you through step by step how to use this, how we use it, and how you can do the same. So in diving into things today, I want to give you an overview of what Kajabi is all about, what it offers, why we use it, and then kind of walk you through how we use it and how you can go about creating a course here straight away. So to get into things here to start, basically when we first started to create funnels, sales pages, landing pages, and products itself for our clients, it was on ClickFunnels. Now, I wasn't super happy with the user experience when it comes to a members area within ClickFunnels itself. I wanted a more higher quality user experience that offered more features. And I went out and tried a variety of different platforms, including Teachable, Podia, ClickFunnels, Thinkific, all of these different platforms. I went out and tested all of them and ended up coming back to this core platform being my favorite. To me, I find this to be the most valuable offering for the money, and something that's actually a really quality product to use and very easy, user-friendly tool to use as well when it comes to software for creating course areas, members areas, and marketing pages for your business. So this is technically an all-in-one platform. You can create sales pages, you can create landing pages, you can accept payments, you can see analytics on who is visiting pages, who is consuming videos within your training areas. And you can also incorporate marketing automations within email flows and a bunch of other stuff. More importantly, what we primarily use this tool for above anything else is delivery to our clients itself. So our primary use case of Kajabi is for our paid programs and for our members areas or course areas for those programs itself. We still use ClickFunnels for marketing and sales pages out of just personal preference for that, but with Kajabi, you can really do it all in one here. And the biggest reason for us, we still use ClickFunnels for those marketing and sales pages is because that's where we started and that's where we originally built everything. If I were to start from ground zero, from scratch with my business, and I was choosing an all-in-one platform to use to grow my business, to create marketing pages, and to create digital products, Kajabi would definitely be my choice, as this is my preferred platform as a whole. Now, with that overview in terms of what it offers, let's dive into how you can use it. So I have a few tabs pulled up here, and I want to start by actually going over to this tab here. So to kind of start from the top here, let's walk through what a landing page looks like in Kajabi. So what I have pulled up here is our store page. This is where you can find a few of our products, or the majority of our products itself, available for purchase or available for application, including right from the top here, our 6-figure accelerator coaching program. This is my flagship coaching program that includes myself and the 4 other expert coaches that we have on team. And within this, on this page, you can click here to apply to work with us. Now, to run through this quickly, we next up have our post to close workshop, my very best workshop ever that we've rolled out, that is basically a 2-day workshop focused on marketing and sales and the exact marketing and sales process that we use to go from 0 to over 250K in revenue in just 18 months time. And then below this, we have a couple other products, including my 55K in 50 days workshop, which is essentially walking through how to craft, launch, and sell out your paid masterclass and how to use that to get paid to generate leads into your business for your high ticket offers. We have my 6-figure messenger masterclass, which is a deep dive in my 6-figure messenger strategies. And then we also have my 6-figure workflow masterclass. So this is simply a page to house and show the products that you offer, which you too can create on Kajabi as well. So this is an example of a simple landing page. Kajabi offers advanced landing pages, including funnel pages, including pipeline pages. Like, there's a bunch of features that you can do within this in terms of creating marketing assets and marketing pages. And this is just a glimpse of what you can create within this itself. More importantly, what we're focused on in this video today is how to go about creating a course and what a course looks like in Kajabi. So let's jump over to our 6-figure accelerator coaching program course area. So this is, like I mentioned, our flagship coaching program. And inside here, I'm giving you an inside look at our course within this that is built directly within Kajabi. Now, as you can see here, scrolling through, we can see all of the units inside the course. And then inside the units, you're going to have the various different videos within. So we can go down to foundations, go into this unit, all videos within. Resources all linked below. You can mark them as complete as they go through, so you can people that are actually going through your course can mark these videos as complete, so they can navigate through it easier and see what they've completed, what it is due to complete, where they're at in the training as a whole. You have the ability to directly link PDFs underneath your training videos here. Us personally, we like to basically link our resources via Google Drive in a Google Doc format. So pretty much all of our resources are able to be clicked below the video and then added to your own Google Drive itself. The reason we choose to do this and not use the PDF option in Kajabi directly is just simply because this allows us to update documents and keep them fresh and up to date without having to remove the PDF and re-add it itself. So this is a quick sneak peek at the course. Now the cool thing about Kajabi is you can actually customize the entire navigation above. So you can see here, we built a custom navigation just for this coaching program to display and show, hey, where our FAQ is, where to find all of the coaching calls inside the program, when the coaching calls take place, and the details to join the call. This was a simple page built directly within Kajabi itself that we then in turn linked directly within our members area in the top navigation to make it super easy for our coaching clients to find and navigate to whenever they need to itself. Along with that, jumping back into here, another awesome feature of Kajabi is the ability to actually create communities directly within the tool itself. So if we go to support here, we actually have our entire support hub community for our coaching program. Different dedicated threads to come in and share questions, to ask questions, get answers, and connect with the coaching community as a whole. As you can see here, if we go into content and conversations thread, we can see posts and questions from clients here, and then responses from us here in return, either via Loom video or via text from our coaching team itself. Now we're gonna go and create a new product. And from this point, we're going to basically select the type of product that we're creating. So like I mentioned before, we have that community option in the bottom right. This is where you can create that custom community for support and for your clients to connect and network with one another inside your course or coaching program itself. You can create a membership program, or a drip course, which basically means it's going to release content over a set period of time. You can create a normal online course, a mini course, or start from blank. What this is really easy to use templates from Kajabi to help you really get moving as quickly as possible with creating your course. So you can choose to start from scratch with a blank template, or you can choose to use one of their preset templates to make the process even easier. So let's go ahead and create an online course here and walk through an example of this. We're gonna go ahead and click Get Started here on Online Course. Again, if you have a Kajabi account and if you want access to your own Kajabi account to do this, right now they are offering a 30-day free trial for you to plug in and test this platform out entirely free. So if you sign up at the link below, you can get your 30-day free trial, and you can come in here and see this exact screen directly and start playing around with these features and seeing if this is something that would be a good fit for you and your business to create your own courses or coaching programs within itself. So to go into this example further, we're going to click Get Started here. And from this point, you're going to choose the title. So you can call this online course, we're going to say online course test. Any program name that your name is for your course itself, you're obviously going to want to put that in there, and then a brief description of what that course is all about. From this point, you're going to select the product thumbnail. This is going to be, when people get access to this product, this will be the first image that they see of it itself. So you can just click select, upload image, and then from there, upload a new image in. For here, we can just go ahead and say select a recent file, and we will choose six-figure accelerator quickly here. So I'll drop this in, and now we have the thumbnail set for the course itself. So now I'm going to click submit, building our product, and from this point it's going to start to populate the different units and elements within, which I'm going to walk through here next. All right, so as we are inside of here, you can see that Kajabi does a really great job at kind of pre-building what you should look out for as a course creator itself and what you should consider including within your course as a whole. So they already give you some pre-done templates in this course template itself, where it shows course introduction, welcome to the course, about your instructor, outline and objectives. So these are all preset and ready to load up in here for you. So all you have to do is come in here and basically click on this first unit. So let's say you wanted to make a welcome to the course video. You're going to click this area here. And this is where from this point, you can actually change this whole description. You can type in whatever text you want, welcome. put in any info you want here, and then when you make that welcome video, you are going to select video here, and you will select file, and you will upload a new file, or you can select a file that was already uploaded. What I love most about Kajabi in comparison to ClickFunnels or other marketing platforms like this is the fact that they have Wistia, the video hosting tool, built directly within Kajabi itself. So there's no need for you to buy any separate tool to host your videos. That's the beauty of Kajabi. They host them directly within Wistia in the platform itself. So all you have to do is upload your video, and from that point, you're good to go. It's ready to be enjoyed and watched by your clients itself. So we'll go ahead and select just a random file here, upload this in, and now you can see the video is already here, and I can just click save. So the thumbnail, the post thumbnail, you'll want to add this in because to show you what this looks like when you don't have it, we'll actually go back here, click save. And again, to make this video published, you would just check it to publish like it's already preset and done. If you didn't want to show this video, you can put it in draft. If you want to see how the members area looks based on the work that you've done so far, you can click preview. And this is where it's going to automatically pull up and show you what you've done so far. So you can see here, in this section right here, we haven't yet edited anything in this area besides this first video. So when we open this up, this first video is already going to be ready to play and ready to display itself. Now, the difference between having a thumbnail and having no thumbnail here is the fact that it's going to cover up this image. So if we go backwards and we go back to this section here, and I go to this and I add a thumbnail, I can add this image, click save, and then we will go ahead and generate a new preview. And now we can see that this thumbnail is showing, which is what we typically do for all videos. If we jump back to the members area like I did before with the 6-figure accelerator, you would have seen the fact that all of the videos had this thumbnail preview in front of it. That way it looks clean and branded accordingly. So going back to the outline itself, this is where you can build out your entire course. And what I usually like to think about when I'm building out course itself is number one, like what is the path, the implementation path that we're taking our clients or students through to bring them to success itself. And then from that point, working backwards and saying, okay, with this implementation path in mind, what are the units that I'm going to need to create? And what are the lessons beneath those units that I'm going to need to build out? So what we have here are units. Course introduction is a unit, fundamentals is a unit, the what, why, and how, advanced tips, and course wrap-up. Let's say we wanted to add another unit here. We can click add content. We can say new category or unit. And we could call this, let's say, marketing and sales strategies. Select our image. And now we have this new unit right here. So you can easily, this is what I love about how user-friendly this tool is, you can easily drag this and move it around. If we wanted to make this unit be the second one up, we could do that. From this point, when we want to add content within it, we just click on this. We'll want to make sure that we add the image. This is still in draft. So what you'll basically do is just click add content. New post, and you could say marketing overview. Whatever video you are creating within that. And then we have this video within this unit and organized accordingly. So that's how easy it is. Literally in a matter of seconds, you could come in here and build out your whole outline and then work backwards by shooting the videos, uploading them in, and then pushing them from draft to being published. So this is a quick walkthrough on how to actually set up your course area itself, setting up the units, the lessons, the videos within, and all that good stuff in between. And moving on from this point, once you have the units built out within, once you have the lessons within that, with the videos directly related to those units, and you've built out your course, now what you can do is start to customize the look and feel for your clients coming into this course itself as they navigate through things. So to do this, all you're going to do is click Customize. And from here, we will select Customize itself. So this is where in this screen, it's going to take us to show us exactly what this looks like on the client-facing side. So we were just in the back end of Kajabi before on the admin side for us to make edits. Now we're on the front end client-facing side where we can see exactly how it looks and feels for them and make any tweaks accordingly that we want to make. So within here, you can see if we want to, let's say, remove this text and this button here, we could remove the hero. We could take that out if we wanted to, otherwise we could leave it. We can change our logo up here to a different logo. We can change the whole link structure up top here, like I showed in the 6-figure accelerator example, where if you don't want to link to the preset options that they have, you can link to special links within that course or coaching program itself, which is a really cool feature that they offer. And from this point, you can change the banner. You can basically customize everything within this, the colors, making it look and feel whatever matches your branding and however you'd like that experience to be for your paid clients itself. So now that we've talked about how to create the actual course itself, the next thing we're going to do is want to create the offer or the ability for someone to purchase the course. So I'm already at the screen here where I selected offers, and now I'm going to make a new offer. So we're going to call this test offer. And from this point, we're going to say select your product. So in this screen, I'm going to select online test course. And then from this point, we can choose. We can integrate our Stripe, PayPal accounts, our payment providers directly. And we can say, okay, we want this to be either a one-time payment option, a payment plan, multiple payments, a subscription option, or a free course. So in this example here, we're just going to make this a free course. And I'm going to click create. Now from this point, what we are doing, and the beauty of Kajabi is the fact that they have offers disconnected and separate from products itself. So your products are in a separate entity of your offers, and what you do is combine them together if you want to make it so someone can buy that offer directly from you and then get access to the product. Otherwise, you can use other payment providers or your own invoicing link and grant access to products directly. With all of that said here in this example, what we're going to do is now that we've linked together the course that we made with this new offer, we can change the thumbnail image, we can add more to the page itself, but essentially what we're doing here is when we say save and get link, we'll open this up here. And now, without making any edits to the text and what's included, you can edit all of this inside here, but essentially what happens is now somebody can sign up and get access to this directly when they put in their email, when they put in their name, and when they put in any fields that you dedicate they need to put in. From this point, it's going to automatically grant them access to that product that you selected. So really, really nice feature about Kajabi and how you can separate your products and your offers and how you can combine them together to grant that product whenever they purchase an offer itself. If you wanted to create multiple products, let's say you had a masterclass and a course, and you wanted to create an offer where it gave them both, you could do that and you could bundle those two together in that offering. So as we close out here in today's video, hopefully you got some value on how to create a course and curriculum structure inside Kajabi and how to easily do it with their simple user interface and how to go ahead and connect that new course that you just made to an offer and in turn be able to start accepting payments and granting access to that new course for your buyers and clients within your paid programs itself. Now, for those of you that want to test out Kajabi, again, they are offering an exclusive 30-day free trial right now for a limited time for you to test out and try the features that are all available within the platform. I only touched on a few available here, and you can see on this page directly all of the features that are included and how you can use this for your info-based business. So again, grab your Kajabi trial below if you want to test this tool out and see the power of this tool and how you can use it to grow and scale your online coaching, info, or course-based business. Thanks again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.